I am on the AWS console. They changed the layout recently. So it has a lot of things on the console itself. And you can see that my usage costs are quite low. Though I have used many demos of Bedrock, still it is almost zero. So Amazon Bedrock is quite inexpensive. You can directly reach here or you can type here Bedrock. Amazon Bedrock. You can see that it has a lot of benefits and many things to get started on text generation, chatbots, text summarization, search, image generation, personalization. Many foundation models are here like AI 21 Labs, on the cloud models from Anthropic, and then Stable Diffusion, Llama, Amazon Titan. We will be using this model in our demos. You can go to Get Started. So these are the foundation models, and you have the playground, text, image, Bedrock Studio, and you can see on the left side an overview, examples. You will see a lot of examples and code you can copy from. Providers. This shows various models. Amazon Titan is from Amazon itself. AI 21 Labs. Anthropic, you will have the cloud models. The models from Cohere, Meta, Mistral AI, as well as Stability AI. You can go to the request model access, which shows all the models. I have chosen the region as US East 1, and in this region you see that all these models are available, and you need to first request access to the model. Like Titan G1 Lite, it says access is already granted for me, and you can see the end user license agreement here and go through it, modify model access. And now you see the checkboxes for requesting access. I can say this one, and then go to the bottom, next, and request access here. Like Llama 3.2b insert, it is already granted. Similarly, Mistral AI. Cloud 3.5 Sonnet, I have issues because it expects you to have a default payment method through which they can bill, for which, because of some RBI guidelines, I currently have problem in India. So I am not able to request access for this. It shows request failed. So you can go to next. So it shows the models I have requested access and you can submit. Normally it takes few minutes to grant you access or deny you access. Once you have access, you can test out the model in the playground. You can see that I have access to Titan Text G1 Lite. It shows access granted, and I can test out this model in the playground. On the left, click on these playgrounds. I can go to text. Here I can select the model. Under Amazon, I have model to Titan Text G1. And I can give the prompt here. I can choose the parameters also, randomness, temperature, I can make it 0.5, top P, let it be 0.9, length 512. I can leave the others as is, and let me give you a prompt here. I am a project manager. How do I resolve conflict between two team members? Please give a response in less than 6 lines. Let us try this. Conflict is a natural part of any team. Listen actively, identify the root cause of the conflict, find common ground, use active listening techniques, offer solutions, and follow up. So it gives quite a detailed response. Though I said less than 6 lines, the number of items are 6, but total is certainly more than 6 lines. So you can use the text as well as chart or image in the playground, so that as a manager you don't have to write any code and still you can play with the model. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates on the latest in AI and technology. See you in the next video.